So I wanted to review the new facial spray from Badescu. This is a coconut water version. We do have another 4 facial sprays to show you like for what skin type it is, you know, but when they say all, that's really hard for it to work for like every skin type. But these facial sprays are like super highly rated. They're really good. I've always used the rose water one and also the cucumber with green tea and aloe. That one is fabulous. I'm going to give you my review today for oily skin, what I think about them, how I use them. 2 that I just mentioned, the rose water and the cucumber, to me are like ridiculously good for oily skin. They're not gonna make you look like dewy or oily or anything like that. They're just gonna refresh you beautifully. They don't have a super intense smell, nothing like that. It's super refreshing and it feels amazing. The other one they have is an orange blossom and sage. One is okay. I'm not saying it's not good for oily skin, but I have not used that one a lot. And then they also have one that's chamomile and lavender, which is their purple one. That one says it hydrates the skin, so I would think it would be more for maybe if you have combination or normal to dry, or maybe you want to look a little bit dewy. And then this one I did try out. This is the Badescu facial spray with aloe. I believe they all bring aloe, yeah. Adaptogens and coconut water. So I was really excited about this. This one is the 4 ounce. 4 ounce I believe retails for $7, and you, depending where you buy it, I will list them down below in the description. And then you have the 8 ounce, which can be around $12. So I have seen minis as well that you could put it in your purse, which I think is fabulous. I like to have the minis and sometimes buy the big ones and fill it up so I can always carry it with me. I know some people also put this in the fridge so it's nice and cool, a nice summer day. So there's many ways that you can use this. You can put it before makeup, after makeup. If you don't wear makeup, that's not a problem. This is not meant like exclusively for makeup. Hydrate thirsty skin with a rejuvenating blend of aloe, hyaluronic acid, and coconut water. So all the ingredients sound amazing. Powerful adaptogens, plant and root extracts help skin adapt to the effects of stress while delivering a refreshing boost of youthful looking complexion. The directions are simple. Mist onto face, neck, hair as needed. Use it to infuse more hydration before or after applying moisturizer as a pick-me-up on the go, or post makeup application to give skin a dewy finish. So this is cruelty-free, paraben-free, alcohol-free, vegan. It is made in the USA. This will give you a dewy finish. So for that reason, this one is not my favorite for oily skin. I already get dewy throughout the day, no matter how matte my makeup is. Some makeup will let me stay matte longer. And if you don't mind the dewy look, then go for it. If you have oily skin, if you don't have oily skin, then you're gonna love this. You're gonna love this. The mist comes out really nice. It's nothing intense like, wow, that smells so powerful. No. I would use this maybe like if I get a sunburn and I need that extra hydration. If for some reason I'm super dry, maybe I'm using like some acne medication and I super dry patches or something, or maybe in the nighttime, so my skin is nice and, you know, refreshed, nice. It got nice and moisturized throughout the night. I mean, dewy, I mean, it's a nice dewy sensation. It's not like you put it on and it's like, oh my god, that thing feels super oily. No, this does not feel oily, greasy, or anything like that. It literally feels like water, you know? So nothing like that. Your face doesn't feel weird or sticky, or I don't get itchy while using this. Did many different variations of this spray. If you have oily skin, try those first 2, the rose water or the green tea. Let me know if you've tried the orange blossom. Like, what is your skin type and what do you think about that orange blossom? So I would say like the lavender and this one are great for like dry, normal, maybe combination. I love Badescu. I also use their drying lotion when I get any acne spots, and I also use their gel, you know, for the face in the shower. So I can do a video on my favorite Mario Badescu products. I've tried more items, but those are just what I'm currently using right now. The video thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.